Myself Tulsi Pamar, Assistant Professor in Physics, SVC Government College Ajmer. Today we will discuss about the condition of equilibrium between two systems in thermal contact, the beta parameter. और ये टॉपिक हम MSc थर्ड सेम के 10th पेपर स्टैटिस्टिकल एंड सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स के अंतर्गत डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं द कंडीशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम बिटवीन टू सिस्टम इन थर्मल कॉन्टैक्ट। द टू सिस्टम विच आर कैपेबल ऑफ एक्सचेंजिंग हीट between one another are said to be in thermal contact. Let there be two systems A and B having specified volumes V and VB and specified total energy E star. Let E and E dash be the energies of the system A and B in equilibrium state. Obviously, E dash is equal to E star minus E. When systems A and B are in equilibrium, the probability of systems A and B processing energies E and E dash respectively will be maximum. The probability of processing energy is given by probability of system A of having energy E is given by PE is equal to C del E, where C is constant and omega E is the number of microstates in the energy range E and E plus delta E naught. Delta E naught is very small. Similarly, the probability of B processing energy E dash will be P E dash is equal to C omega dash E dash. The complete probability or the composite probability that the system A and B will have energies E and E dash respectively at the same time will be the product of these two separate probabilities. As we know that the probability of a composite event is equal to the product of the probabilities of individual and independent events. Hence, probability of E dot E dash E comma E dash is equal to C omega E C dash omega dash E dash. So we can write it C dash omega E omega dash E dash. For equilibrium states, this probability should be maximum. To use the fact, taking logarithm of both sides, we get log of PE is equal to log of C plus log of C dash plus log of omega E plus log of omega dash E dash. Differentiating with respect to E and equating to 0, we get del over del E log P E comma E dash is equal to del over del E log omega E plus del over del E dash omega E dash del E dash upon del E is equal to 0. But del E dash over del E is equal to minus 1, which is we can get from equation number 1. So equation number 3 gives del over del E log of omega E is equal to del over del E dash omega log of omega dash E is equal to 0. Minus of is equal to 0. So del over del E log of omega E is equal to del over del E dash log of omega dash E dash. यहाँ ऊपर वाली इक्वेशन में माइनस का साइन है. This is the required condition of equilibrium between two given system in thermal contact. Thus, according to statistical mechanics, the two systems in thermal contact will be in equilibrium if their functions del over del E log of omega are constant or equal. The functions which is given del over del E log of omega is generally represented by beta. So beta, which is function of energy E, is equal to del over del E log of omega is equal to 1 upon omega del omega over del E. Similarly, we can write beta E dash. Now beta has the dimensions of reciprocal energy, and for thermal equilibrium we have beta is equal to beta dash. Thermal equilibrium in terms of temperature is specified as T is equal to T dash. So according to statistical mechanism, equality of temperature means equality of beta parameters. We can write 1 upon beta is equal to Kt and 1 upon beta dash is equal to Kt dash, where K is constant. The dimension of K are joule per degree, and we shall see later that this constant K is Boltzmann constant, and which is defined by K is equal to R over N, where R is gas constant, and for 1 mole and N is Avogadro number. Now we interpret temperature. If E is the total energy of the system of n molecules of a monatomic gas, then sum of the energy will be in the form of translation energy, while the rest will be in the form of rotational vibrational potentials energy of the molecules. Let E T be the translation energy, then according to the law of equipartition of energy, Et over N is equal to 3 by 2 Kt, where T is the temperature and which is taken in Kelvin, and K is Boltzmann constant. But we know that Et over N is average translation energy per molecule, which can be written as Et bar. So Et bar is equal to 3 by 2 Kt, or Et is directly proportional to T. It means the average kinetic energy of translation per molecule of an ideal monatomic gas in a given mass is directly proportional to absolute temperature of the gas. Clearly, if average kinetic energy of translation of each molecule of the gas is 0, then T is equal to 0. So the absolute zero temperature is the temperature at which the average kinetic energy of translation of each molecule of the gas is 0. It means the temperature at which the molecular translation vector of a gas are reduced to 0, and that is called the absolute zero temperature.